Gaze upon the vast desert of Egypt and there they stand, the pyramids ageless and enigmatic. These monumental structures have been standing tall for over 4,000 years, their towering forms casting long shadows across the sands. They are a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of an ancient civilization, yet their construction remains shrouded in mystery. Over the centuries, many theories have been proposed to explain how the pyramids were built. Some are grounded in meticulous historical research, while others veer into the realm of the fantastical. From the labor of thousands of skilled workers to the intervention of extraterrestrial beings, every theory has its proponents. The most widely accepted theory suggests that the pyramids were built by a massive workforce of Egyptians. These workers were not slaves, as was once thought, but rather skilled laborers who were well fed and cared for. They used simple tools and sheer muscle power to move and position the enormous stone blocks, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons. Yet, there are those who argue that this explanation is too simplistic. They point to the precision with which the pyramids are aligned, to the cardinal points, the complex internal structures, and the sheer scale of the buildings. These skeptics propose alternative theories that involve advanced technology, lost to time, or even the intervention of aliens. Then there are the fringe theories, the ones that are often dismissed but still manage to capture the imagination. These include claims of levitation, giants, or even time travel. While these theories are largely unsupported by evidence, they contribute to the enduring allure of the pyramids. Indeed, the pyramids are not just monumental structures, they are symbols of human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. They stand as a challenge, daring us to uncover their secrets and understand our own past. But who exactly built these magnificent structures? Let's delve into the sands of time to find out. As we journey through the chapters of history, we'll explore the theories, the facts, and the fictions that surround these great edifices. Buckle up, it's time to unravel the enigma of the pyramids. Welcome back to the channel History, where we unravel fascinating tales from the past. Today, we're exploring the origins of the pyramids. Let's dive right into the heart of the matter. Who built these architectural marvels? The answer is not aliens or mythical creatures, but the ancient Egyptians themselves. Yes, you heard it right. It was not the work of otherworldly beings, but the fruit of human endeavor. Contrary to the popular belief that the pyramids were built by slaves, it's now widely accepted that they were constructed by a workforce of skilled laborers. Archaeological evidence supports this claim. Excavations near the pyramids have uncovered a city of workers, complete with houses, bakeries, and even breweries. These weren't the living quarters of oppressed slaves, but of respected craftsmen and laborers. Even their diet, rich in meat, which was a luxury in those times, points to their elevated social status. Historical records, too, tell a similar tale. Ancient tomb inscriptions describe the workers as friends of Khufu, referring to the pharaoh for whom the Great Pyramid of Giza was built. This suggests a relationship of mutual respect, far removed from the image of the whip-cracking slave master. Moreover, these workers were organized into teams, each with their own name and leader. This kind of structured workforce is indicative of a society that valued its laborers and recognized their contribution. These weren't just men moving blocks of stone, they were builders, architects, and engineers, working together to create something extraordinary. So the next time you marvel at the pyramids, remember the hands that chiseled each block, the minds that envisioned their grand design, and the hearts that beat with the pride of accomplishment. These were the real builders of the pyramids, the unsung heroes of history. So the question of who built the pyramids seems to be answered, but how did they do it? Imagine a time before modern machinery, before the wheel even. How could the ancient Egyptians have built such monumental structures? In their quest to touch the heavens, the Egyptians relied on the simplest tools, yet applied some of the most ingenious engineering techniques known to man. Picture the scene. Thousands of workers bustling around, the air filled with the sounds of chisels against stone, the grunts of men and the commanding shouts of supervisors. In this era of human history, the pyramid builders didn't have the luxury of cranes or bulldozers. Instead, they employed rudimentary tools like wooden sledges and ropes, copper chisels, and stone mallets. These tools were used to cut and shape the massive blocks of limestone and granite that make up the pyramids. But how did they move these colossal blocks, some weighing up to 2.5 tons? The answer lies in the ingenious use of sledges and ramps. Workers would drag the blocks onto wooden sledges, which were then pulled up ramps made of mud, brick, and rubble. It's believed that water was used to lubricate the ramps, reducing friction and making the blocks easier to haul. Constructing a pyramid wasn't just about raw strength though, it required meticulous planning and organization. The Egyptians had to calculate the pyramid's dimensions and angles with precision, lay out the foundation, and coordinate the labor of thousands of workers. These workers were divided into teams, each with a specific task, be it quarrying the stone, hauling the blocks, or carving intricate hieroglyphs into the pyramid's interior walls. And let's not forget the logistics of feeding and housing these workers. Imagine the scale of the operation, providing food, water, and shelter for thousands of men over a period of several years. It was a feat of administration as much as it was of engineering. The pyramids stand as a testament to the capabilities of the ancient Egyptians. But why were they built? These colossal structures weren't built for mere display. They had a profound purpose. Yes, indeed, the pyramids were much more than just a show of grandeur. They were, in fact, the resting places of the mighty pharaohs, designed with the sole aim of ensuring their journey to the afterlife. Ancient Egyptians held a firm belief in life after death, a realm they called the Duat. They envisioned it as a mirror image of their earthly life, and to transition into this eternal existence, the pharaohs needed their bodies intact. This belief led to the practice of mummification, which kept the physical form preserved. However, the journey to Duat wasn't as straightforward as it might seem. The soul, known as Ka, needed a beacon to find its way back to the body after death. This is where the pyramids came in. These massive structures, with their gleaming limestone casings, would catch the sun's rays, acting as a beacon for the Ka to return to its earthly body. Inside the pyramids, the walls told stories of the pharaohs' lives, their achievements, and their promises to the gods. These inscriptions were essential guides for the Ka, helping it navigate through the trials of the afterlife and reach Duat. So you see, the pyramids, as grand as they are, were essentially gateways to eternity. They were the pharaoh's ticket to immortality, a testament of their faith in life beyond the mortal realm. Over 4,000 years later, the pyramids continue to captivate us. Their grandeur, precision, and the mystery surrounding their construction echo through the centuries, stirring our curiosity and wonder. These monumental structures not only bear witness to the genius and ambition of our ancestors, but also provide a profound link to our collective past. The pyramids are a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring desire to transcend mortality.